Today, we're diving into the flourishing topic of what are the best plants for a balcony garden? Balcony gardening has its unique challenges and delights, but with the right plants, you can transform your small outdoor space into a verdant oasis. Let's explore the prime picks for your balcony garden. First off, understanding your balcony's climate and sun exposure is crucial. Plants thrive under different conditions, and not all will suit the specific environment of your balcony. Bearing that in mind, let's introduce some versatile contenders ideal for most balconies. Herbs are a fantastic starting point. Easy to grow in containers, herbs like basil, mint, cilantro, and chives provide fresh flavors for your cooking and are tolerant of varying sun conditions. Plus, their aromatic presence adds a delightful sensory experience to your garden. Next, let's talk about succulents and cacti. These hardy plants are perfect for gardeners seeking low-maintenance options. They thrive in sunny spots and don't require frequent watering, making them ideal for sunny balconies where you might not always remember to water every day. For those looking to add a splash of color, petunias and geraniums are vibrant, flowering plants that flourish in container gardens. They can handle full sun to partial shade and bloom beautifully throughout the growing season, offering a continuous display of colors. Vegetable lovers, fear not. Cherry tomatoes, lettuce, and peppers are surprisingly well suited for balcony gardens. Selected for their compact growth and container friendliness, these veggies can turn your balcony into a mini edible garden, providing fresh produce just a few steps away. Lastly, for a touch of greenery and height, consider small shrubs or dwarf trees. Varieties like boxwood or dwarf citrus trees can create a structured look and feel, adding depth and layers to your balcony garden without overwhelming the space. In closing, the best plants for your balcony garden depend on a mix of personal preference, sunlight availability, and how much care you're willing to devote. By selecting the right plants, you can cultivate a thriving garden that reflects your style and meets your gardening aspirations. Thank you for watching. Remember, a balcony garden offers a unique opportunity to connect with nature, even in a small space. With a bit of planning and care, you can create a lush, inviting outdoor retreat. Happy gardening!